In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Colossyan account. We'll keep this simple, clear, and quick so you can get started right away. To begin, open your preferred web browser on desktop or mobile. In the address bar, type colossyan.com and press enter. Take a moment to confirm you're on the official site. The URL should be spelled exactly like that, and you should see a secure connection indicator in your browser. If the page doesn't load right away, try a quick refresh or check your internet connection. Switching to another browser can help if something looks off. Once the home page is open, look toward the upper right corner of the screen and click the button labeled Sign Up for Free. On a phone or tablet, the button may appear behind a menu icon at the top, so tap the menu if you don't see it immediately. This button is your direct path to creating an account without choosing a paid plan first, so it's the fastest way in. After you click Sign Up for Free, you'll land on the account creation screen. Here you have two straightforward options: use your email address or continue with your Google account. Choose whichever option you're most comfortable with. If you prefer using an email address, select the email option. This is a solid choice if you like to keep accounts separate from other services or if you manage multiple workspaces. Make sure you use an email you can access easily. As a general best practice, keep your login credentials private and avoid reusing passwords across different sites. If you'd rather streamline things, choose the Google option. This lets you connect through Google securely and can reduce the number of separate passwords you manage. Take a second to review any prompts that appear so you understand what access you're granting before you continue. Regardless of the option you choose, follow the on-screen guidance to complete the process. The platform will clearly show you what's needed and confirm when your account is ready. If something looks slightly different from what you expect, it may just be a minor design update, but the choices remain the same. And that's it. Go to Colossyan.com, click Sign Up for Free in the upper right, and choose to sign up with your email address or your Google account. With your account created, you're set to explore and start building your projects. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part of this walkthrough if you need a quick refresher.